Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add countdown timer to Wix website. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to this website which is called Else site, and then simply go to widgets, and then here you're gonna have to search for countdown timer and click on this. Then you're gonna have to simply edit the template and click on continue. Now after you change here the template, you're gonna have to click on add to website for free, then click on publish and then choose the free plan, and then you're gonna have to copy this code, then go back to Wix, click on add elements and then go to embed code and choose HTML, paste the code. So let's go back here. So you're gonna have to paste the code and click on update, and basically that's all you have to do. So guys, I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.